Hello viewers, welcome to our another new video. In this video we will see dealing DAR 650 in user management or user control. If you turn on this option on your router, no one else will be able to use the router's Wi-Fi without your permission. Today we will show you that here. First, we will connect the Wi-Fi of the router from which we will manage the user. Then we will enter the router page. For that, we first need to go to the address bar of any browser and type 192.168.0.1. If the admin wants the password, then use the default username and password of your router admin. If anyone has changed, then use it. Then click on advanced setting at the top right of the router page. Then click on the wireless option. Then click on access control from the wireless option submenu. So friends, here you can see that the wireless access control mode option is disabled here, and we will enable it now. Here you will select the allow listed option, because if you select this option, only the device you want to allow will be connected and no other device can be connected. Now you can see the MAC address option here. I will note the MAC address here from the Wi-Fi setting option of the device that I will connect now. Friends, the mobile that you will connect, go to the Wi-Fi settings of the mobile and you will see the MAC address of your mobile from the advanced option. You will use yours. I'm using mine. Here in the comment option, friends, you can note down the name of the device you will connect to. I am connecting my mobile phone. I am using my name. Then after completing the tasks, you click on save and apply. Then your device will be connected as soon as you enter the password. Friends, after enabling this option, you will not be able to connect any type of device without a MAC address. After clicking on save and apply, your router will reboot. You will have to wait for the reboot. Here you guys can see that my mobile Wi-Fi is disconnected from my computer after Wi-Fi is connected because I didn't add MAC address. Now I use my mobile, the MAC address of my computer. I will connect the computer to the Wi-Fi. Here we will again use the default username admin as before. I will follow the next steps on my mobile in the same way as we did before. So friends, you can see that now my computer is connected to our Wi-Fi again. So friends, here you can see I have two devices connected. One is my phone, the other is my office computer. Now you will see that if you want to block a user, select the blank option along with his name. Click on the delete selected item. Then after clicking on save and apply, you will see that the device is disconnected immediately. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.